Hello, this is a short video on how to take the automatic captioning that happens in YouTube, download it, edit it, and place it back up all fixed up. So, first thing you do is you go to YouTube.com, you sign in with your YouTube account, then you go up to the right corner where your username is, and you click on the down arrow, and you pick the video manager. In the video manager, you find the video that you want to take the automatic caption from. So we'll go to this one. And because you've logged in, you'll see this CC button down here that most people would not see. That's because you own the video. And then you go over here to the right where it says English Automatic Captions. Click on that. In this box are the automatic captions that YouTube has generated. You could either repair them right here and then save them, but if you want a transcript, you'll want to get all of this text from the caption. So you go up to Actions, and you pick to download it as a .srt file. This is what I would suggest out of the three choices. It will download to either your downloads folder or your desktop, wherever you have downloads go, and you'll see it as captions.srt. Do not just click on this and try to open it. You need to open it in a text edit sort of program that doesn't care about formatting. So do not open it in Word or something like that. On the Mac, you can open it with text edit, and on Windows machines, I think you could open it with something like Notepad or whatever the current non-formatted type of text program there is for Windows. Best way to open it on a Mac is just to take the file and drag it over the icon for text edit. It opens up. Here is the time code stamps, and so that's the exact location that these words will appear, and you just go and change the wording here. So I said in this tutorial you'll create an Apple ID, not and, so I'll change that to an, and I'll put a capital on that. And I could go on and continue to edit this text. I could also grab it with selecting it all, or going up to the edit menu and picking select all, and then picking copy or Command C and copying it into something like Word. But that would be only for wanting to show the transcript to students. Do not upload a Word document back into YouTube. That won't work. It has to be this SRT format. And you also need these timestamps. If you're making a transcript, though, obviously you would get rid of these timestamps and just select them and delete them. So let's go back up the file menu and pick Save. Save it still as a SRT file. So that's going to create the saved version there. So now go back into YouTube and close this out by hitting Cancel. And then select Add a New Track and pick Upload a File. Go and upload the file, captions.srt, that's on the desktop. Now you have two tracks, one that says Automatic Captions and one that still has the mistake in it. You can see with the and right here, mistake, back to the track list. And pick the other one instead, and you can see that that's fixed. Okay. So now we go to the automatic captions and we select it and we pick disable. We don't want the bad captions that YouTube made with all the mistakes. So we disable that one, and this one is enabled with the correction. The active track is the English track that you have fixed, and when you go back and review it,
in this tutorial you will create an Apple ID, which is used to log into iTunes, the App Store, iCloud, and more.
That's all there is to it. Log out by hitting the sign out link, and you're done.